Hi guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how to update the AI algorithm plugin in your OnePlus 15. So actually, this is a very easy thing to do. Firstly, open the settings. Now scroll down to the AI. Now, if you scroll even further, you can see AI Service Engine. Here, enable this option, and if you do have your AI enabled, tap check for updates near the algorithm update. Here, as you can see, we do have updates available. The size of the algorithm plugin is 10.1 megabytes. Download now. The remaining file size is 10.1 megabytes, and the download is expected to take 17 seconds. Tap download and update. Here you can tap download in the background, but it takes actually up to 10 seconds, so you can tap just got it. And now you have your algorithm plugin updated. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day. Goodbye.